You searched how to buy shares of NVIDIA Corporation, so here is a quick walkthrough. NVIDIA Corporation designs GPUs and AI hardware listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NVDA. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and this example uses eToro to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker NVDA to find NVIDIA Corporation. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing from the results. Open the stock page to see basic company details and a price chart that shows recent trading. Confirm the listing and company name to ensure you have the right asset. Choose the investor buy option, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After your order executes, the position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the broker link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.